Guys, we got a train right over here, and it's nighttime, so you can't see. But we came very late. I was gonna make 3 videos, but now I changed my mind. I only made one video, but at least I hear another one which is great. I just see that. Where is the train? Gotta see the lights from it. Hope it's there. Hopefully. Okay, where is it? I know there's one, but yeah, it's over here. Come on. It's not even that loud. See that? Look at this. Well, it's not even this loud, but I think I hear another one. It's going into Palmdale. Bro, I know you can't see, but I know where is it going. I might need to wait for the whole long train to come here. It's gonna be a little longer because I think I heard another one. Cop over there. It's so cold outside. Bro, you can't even see anything outside. We do hear one, but you cannot see anything. I'm just gonna post only one because I think I only hear another one. Ugh, it's so cold. Bro, there's not even nothing inside. Not even nothing. Just only darkness. Finally, things are starting to come. It took forever to come. It took forever. These guys come, but now they're finally coming. Can't see anything. Is that the end of it already? I know you can't see, but I think that's the end of it. Bro, hopefully it is, because there goes the rest of the train over there. See over there? I can't see, but I think. Oh man. Everything over here is not looking too good. Okay, the whole train's still going, because I know I can see a little bit from the night. Hold on, just give me 1 second. Just itching a little. I know it looks a little bit interesting, but all of this is only, I think, bare tables. There goes the rest of the train all the way over there. I can see the dark, but you guys cannot see anything. It's only black and scary darkness. Because it's so dark, I cannot even see anything. Can't you imagine how much trains are gonna be? I think there are another one, so hopefully we wait. Oh, it's cold. Can't see anything, but you cannot. Hope you guys hear that, because the train's still going. I can hear the rails. Almost dropped it. Almost dropped my camera. That's because it's cold. I almost dropped it. Hey. Nope, not even a single chance you can't see. When I go in the car, I'm just going to post only one because this thing is starting to get cold. Trying to keep my hands warm, but it's not gonna help because it's so strong. The cold is so strong. But I think I hear it. So cold, it's so cold, it's so cold. I want to go inside the car, but I gotta wait until the whole freaking train just ends. But I feel like I hear another one, which just means my hands are gonna be way cold than anything I see. Train's still going. Over there you go. I might see another one. Cause yeah. Still going. Cause I can hear that. Bro, I wish it was so hot, like 1,000 degrees. That would be the greatest temperature if I ever could clear that. But now it's so cold. My hands are so cold, I wish I could heat them up in the fire. Oh, that's the end of it. It's the end of it right here. I know you can't see the engine, but there goes the Union Pacific engine. I know you can't see because it's so dark out, but it's somewhere right here that I'm pointing where the car's going. But I know there's another one. It's not gonna end this video. I'm just gonna keep it for about like a minute long until that comes on. And there it is again. Okay, there it is. You can see the engine right here. Okay, since that Union Pacific's going on the Palmdale, look what's over there. Got another one over there. Second train. Oh, there you go. You can see it. But you cannot see nothing. You cannot see nothing from the dark. Just nothing. Just the engines. Oh my god. Ugh. This is the last train that's gonna come. It's just one. There are just two trains racing each other. I'm just gonna put in the title. Because that's a BNSF that's going in the close track. The other one, the first one is the Union Pacific, and the next one is the BNSF. And I think you can see the Union Pacific going up that way. There goes the Union Pacific, and now goes the BNSF. Finally. Hope it's still going, the recording. Hope it's not even this. Hope that train's not that long. Okay, the light's still over there. I can see better with my own eyes, but the camera cannot see better. Because nah. The camera cannot even pick up so much. Only my eyes. If I imagine that. Oh my god, I'm not sure what is the temperature in this place, but I'm gonna, you know. Well, I'm just gonna make only the single video that I'm posting. Well, I think I don't like the code. I'm just gonna stop right here. I'm just gonna stop the video, and hope you enjoyed this video. I know it's only one video because it's so dark. You can see the moon up here and other kinds of stuff, and almost Christmas. So yeah, and get ready for 2022. So it's coming. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.